Mina Aissatou Smile Sise, and this is the program Talk to the Camera. Today the camera Kawaka Kongoton Market. For Talk to Market, people how they feel concerning the renovation where the Freetown City Council they do now the different markets them and where Kongoton benefit from that renovation day. We want to know what in the market woman and think about the renovation, how they feel and also how business start for them inside the market. Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
Amina Fakaba.
How they call this market where we do so?
Kongoton Market.
Okay, you there Kongoton Market and I want to make you tell we waiting everything you they sell na Kongoton Market.
For the market at the sell, palm pepper, fish, all kind of things they get on the table.
Okay. We get to understand say Freetown City Council renovate some market the way this Kongoton Market be part of the market where City Council they renovate. I go want for know how good and they be.
Well, you see so long this building. Come in there with the strain. We market we pan the pan be short to be the leak. We the strain. So tell God thank you and those don't know see workman they come up from Freetown City Council.
Okay, meaning Freetown City Council the renovation where they go on at the different market them owner self now this market don't benefit?
Yes, who say don't benefit.
Okay. So how you feel?
Well, I feel good. Tell God thank you. We tell all thank you and get this plan we can do this work for we glad they come in the strain. Tell God thank you. So
as a businesswoman where they do business inside this market, you be they expect this say Freetown City Council go can do this renovation for now?
Well, we don't the effects on this year because you don't say all the same message. So this year we see them we glad. Tell God thank you.
So the renovation are waiting and waiting they can renovate for now so.
Well na pan na them buy this pan, then count the stick, them na them responsible for the workmanship, they don't ask you for nothing. And then do all things. So tell God thank you.
So waiting at the message where you go and send to other art organization and also Freetown City Council where don't start for renovate this market.
Well, we tell them thank you still like how they talk. And we need more help. Because right now no get lights at this market. They don't can make up for we then say now one man they can make now they don't begin the book. Right now on a patch and so forth. So they still send the message to them. Do you have the solidarity people and make them remember we don't want lights. We don't get lights. Now the problem here right now. We need lights now.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you too.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
My name is Sige Kamara.
Okay, I'm going to make you tell me whose business you they do now this market.
Yeah, plazas I sell.
Whose type plaza?
I sell petit leaf, casserole leaf.
Okay, we see Freetown City Council long can renovate for now, so now they do business now this market. I'm going to make you tell me how you feel.
Well, I feel good because if I family don't well. If people are pass them butsu. So thank God, thank you. We can make for we council can make care for we.
So as they can make, I want to make it say we wait exactly they can make now. So as they say, go they talk about renovation, what exactly they can make for now.
Well, they can make for we. Don't ask me for nothing. They can make for we. They can repan. They can tools. They can workmanship. They can the workman. They can make for we.
If they expect say City Council go do this for now?
No, nobody expect that so. Nobody expect that.
So what's another message we go and send to them?
So I'm saying thank you. I'm going to remember we back waiting past it. Because right now we don't get light on back with toilet back. We don't get toilet. Toilet on well. We don't get side for good toilet. Right now say they look. The toilet they don't well. So I made them remember we made them give we lights, made them make for good toilet. They strain. Because we can't make to angle toilet. One wait, so I know they for wait. Yeah, we beg them.
Thank you very much. Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
My name is Santos Kamara.
What business you they do inside this market?
I grade me the grade.
Okay, put on your face mask properly, let cover your nose. Okay, as we still say you the grain now, so we see Freetown City Council don't do renovation where they don't pan up. I go want to make you tell me how you feel.
Anyway, I feel happy because first of all, every the time when we space at this market to make the pan, but already this main time the Freetown City Council can pan for where they make the decently, although they don't do it, but they don't pan it left behind that. But now they will feel happy that we thank God. We tell the majority thank you, then we tell the people they thank you, we remember we we government member with. So we need more help.
As you say, you need more help in this market. Like, whose areas and so now una need the help?
Okay, now like the number one help, we need toilet facility not there because the toilet will get here right now. We get problem on lots of. So right now, everywhere within the market, we strain on that. Actually.
So what about the water? Una get water facility now?
The shame about the water facility not comfortable for we because they don't campaign that big tank, but they don't able to give water to it. Because we go down to neighbor then we go get water at the compound. That we thank God for that day. But we're not able to get water it at all. We will able to get confirmed, we will be satisfied. Actually.
So let them become put to the tank.
Well, I think that shame Freetown City Council because as you say the people the way they can make this plan and see them and go again. And we will hold the tank okay and go under. That will beg the government, they will apologize to them. Let them still come remember what about the water facility actually. We did that help them.
So what about site for Towedoti? Una getting the site around there one at the Towedoti?
Yeah, some vehicle can come, Motska can come now actually. Any 2-3 days, Motska can come load, can park over the street, they will load all the dirty, they can go, they will not pay nothing, they will not pay about for that day. Motska can go all the dirty there.
So this place where they renovate, so how they be there before they can renovate there and how una be the feel, una be there?
Actually, what we did, we really strain, we really suffer. Because actually now, we the time where we now we spain make it. Past this being time now we Freetown City Council can make for winner. For now we tell God thank you. Actually,
So waiting at the message where you go at all, wait till you don't say so.
But the message, your message, I beg the government, let the government need, we let the government need more. We need more things, then we need more help from the market. Actually, I don't see the market now. The market is going behind. Password in a way they we need more help to the government. Let them make for we that after we don't left, then let them remember about the toilet, about the water facility. Actually, we need that help with the big to the government. Let them remember we are for that day.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
Fatima Tassisi.
What's business you do inside this market?
I did sell food stuff.
Okay, as you sell food stuff and we see say Freetown City Council don't renovate this market for now. Though I want to make you tell we how you feel when Freetown City Council don't renovate this market as we see say they don't put new pan inside people they sell plazas.
We feel fine. We all really appreciate council for that. And because when can come during the time they not be do the renovation, we market in the pool, what they selling for the market here, we market in the soak, the stock and the soak. Then you they sell plazas to move them then at them under them plazas. But what they don't make and so we know say this year we safe. So really appreciate them for that.
So now they expect say this go happen. Now go expect say Freetown City go can do the kind of renovation they have for now.
Nobody expects that. Then just do them in a surprise and then do them within 1 week. They don't do them done for we. But we're getting all the face now this market here, so we want to cancel and do for we. One with toilets. With toilet don't well. They don't look an upper we safe. And right now people will not get side for toilets unless the toilet behind the store. Some people are working na passer by then they pass. Toilets can all and west can catch them. So like when we know they at night time then they can't toilets behind the store. Although I know they say that the normal would want to pass so say maybe the one they wouldn't market safe can do that. But really the money with toilet business. Now Wale Council they're looking to. But they help them make these toilets for we. Don't they open them for we because we see make boku and we all over there we all are woman. And we need not going for toilet and wet snack corner unless we use them the other public toilet is. So if they say then they can make them for we, it will best for we. So really appreciate for the roofing what they do for we. We're glad for that day.
So what about the water?
Okay, the water will not get problem. The water they can boil. The water they go through the pump. Unless they cut the pipe, then they able to get water. And they go through the pump, then get from the now the pipe and the cut and then get the.
So how business start for you right now at this market?
Well, right now business naughty. Business naughty. It's not like a first time business day. Where you can sell, you they realize what you can sell for. But now you they sell till you money done. Pass you go find lobby back for let get all that money for cancer because you not get no way for gas. You not get no use idleness. Because if you use idleness you will go sit down and also money done. So well sit down. But when you not use idleness, unless you go and lobby to a family or a good person, get money then you can start again. But business not really easy now.
So waiting at the message we go out always you don't say so.
Well, I dey still persist on with toilets. Let them help with toilets. Then things are hard. Let the government look into that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
This interview, your name?
Abdullahi.
What's business you dey do na the market? What you dey sell?
Green are the green.
Okay. Like what you dey green so?
Well, are the green, cassava leaf, granite, ogusi, we're putting that in green, small.
Okay. And now we see say Freetown City Council don't renovate this particular market where you dey do this kind of business. I go on for make you tell me how you feel.
Well, I feel alright because really they don't care for we're putting and they will be lack of. They don't care for they don't come make for but for the only thing that we lack of right now the water facility, the toilets. Because for more the toilets flop over 4 or 5 months, I need to go sooner for more flop. We did pada suffer no more and the water facility. Because look water and the back who gets 2 hours, 2 hours, the pump don't lock. Pass to the manager, when people them compound there for they get water back. So now the problem is this more the water facility and the toilets. And the money we right now in the market.
So on yourself so on the do na your business. They don't make it, they don't renovate it.
No man, because they don't can't see the measurements, but from where they come make this other sales so they say they can make now, but more than good they will not see it. But we don't can't see the measurements. But they will not see it.
Okay. So how business start like for you right now?
The business is more right now, because we could see what they receive first. There could be get small thing there, but for right now the market is dry right now. The business is slow.
So how much did they take for grain, 1 tie cassava leaf, and how much did they take for grain, 1 cup granite?
Well, right now we take 1 tie, we take 1,000 for the tie. Granite we take 5 lock. Right now, Timona we don't even make that with stuff right now for people. At times the way I depend on how some people and they work even now say they pay you complete money. They can't a big way with yourself because we don't used to that now.
Okay. So waiting at the message we go out all wait you don't say so.
Well, my own message now I go out to this one. I let the council let them come still to video, let them come still for the pump business and the toilet facility. The money we now so better right now. So now my own message on the right time. This will play so back because we play right now. Also back the lake, when they come back, the government money we better one. So all let them come for all land they do. If they get a chance to do, I let them come. I will make a message on it.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name and know that you've been at this market.
Me na Cecilia Binta Faulkner, chair lady Congoto Market.
Okay, we see the Freetown City Council they do renovation at this Congoto Market. I go on for make you tell me what do you think about that?
Well, the Freetown City Council, we're glad because last month when they come, they really don't do it because that BN they don't make so. It be really bad off. Where a season come on our Tasai. But tell God thank you. This last year we can the woman we say the all man gap they sing for Yvonne Sawyer because he don't do great job in the market. He make this year that last year they come. One water no church there inside the market. So we all glad the market. So even the customer and say for the car, they're glad because now they don't then the Timapu side they know they meet them. So we tell and thank you.
Okay, as we go inside the market and we see say another part there by the market where they not make and the table the way then they scatter and not make like how does other side so make I go on for no why.
When they not done the work yet, then we can't start and reach to this side. Now then be saying they come back, but we not see them carry it. The work not do it. Even the tank where they can put and not connect the water it. But pump they open, but they not do connection it.
And when we talk to the market people, them majority of them say they get a challenge where then they face when at the toilet. I go want for no actually waiting at the step where you don't take so far.
The challenge for that toilet, they really bad off because the toilets don't close for over 3 to 4 months now. Where city council don't tell the councillor don't can look engineer they don't can look. So now then they on the right now they don't can dig for make another assessment where the water the waste go there. So but they're not done at itself for can concrete and now then they go open the toilet. But up to now we not see them carry it back.
So what about the water facilities? Because water facilities now another thing again where there is concern on.
The was and
The water facility, like especially the one the way they green plazas and also the one the way they sell the plazas.
yes, the is another challenge because it's in the how this community now one day in, one day out, one day in, one day out the water. So like the tower pump the lock, pass and begin going to neighborhoods for go get water. I made that tank they be very useful. I want to know can do the connection. It's so still the strain day.
So what do you don't do for fast track the water business for the tank? Because we see the tank team up there, but still and they talk about the water. What thing you don't do?
Well, they still the last I've seen have been Friday last. Then come. I tell them they say the one way responsible for the Guma Valley side. They come. But up to now, not see. Say last week don't done. And this week they go so back. We not see them come.
So how business start like for you inside this market? I see you they sell some of the things the way we they produce now, so like the raw granada, the ginger, plantain with dry pepper. I want to make it say we and also Gary. How business start like for you right now?
Well, business right now is stiff because it's into the market and upline. My sister they go buy them. Now where the road don't you know they go upline, and where it they send money for buy for them, it they spend more. You know that exchange rate na orange money, they spend more money and more top up because get for the call for no if they don't buy and load, if they don't load them, the driver will they count them, you get for the call them for no if they don't reach there. So they spend more than where in safe go. So now the challenge and the right now where they face for the market here when they go by upline. See because where they say they count them, the price is high. Because like load way plants pay 50,000 because of the color way not go, they go say 70,000. And when you save come, you get for add that 500 for let you pull out 20,000, they come out back.
So what's the message we go out always you don't say so?
Well, the message I go add is I want to tell City Council thank you. They don't do great job, but let them can finish the work. So that the gladi go boku, the toilets, the water, and that drainage they for can make, let them can make them.
So what about lights? The market forget lights?
Yeah, the market forget lights, but we not get lights. Waiting happen, lights been there. At if man and can't see all the cable and come out. So that we're not go blame them for the lights. So then we get what we board and I when we do connection. So like even time, they can put the lights on at the market.
Okay. Thank you very much.
God bless.
As now don't listen to people where they sell na Kongoton market, waiting and talk about the renovation where Freetown City Council can do for them. As they say, they're glad because of the renovation and also say then get another part of the market where they also need for renovate. And also say the challenges them where they facing at the market plenty as they need toilet, water and other facilities them at the market like light. Mina Aissatou Smaisi say until we meet again to another edition of the program Talk to the Camera, I say tata.